Hello guys, welcome back to another video of TechAbro. Hope you guys are having a great day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you get Spotify Premium for free. So to get Spotify Premium free, just launch your Spotify app. Now after launching the app, click the bottom right, the premium option. Now after that, here you can see get premium. Just click on get premium. And here you can see your currency 0.00 and it will be for 1 month. You can just get 1 month of free premium on Spotify, and after that it will be billing around $2 in our country. So you can just continue with Spotify or Google Play. I'm continuing with Spotify, and after that click on continue with Spotify. Here you can see there is a card number option. Just click on card number and just give your card number. You need to just give your card expiry date and your security code of the card, and after that you need to just click on this option, save card for future purchases. And after that all you need to do is just click on buy now, this green option, and after that you will be able to purchase Spotify 1 month for free. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.